All right, so last but not least, we're going to tackle Article 7 of the Constitution, which has to do with the ratification of the Constitution. And the key word you're going to jot down at the top of your notes today is ratification. Ratification means the formal approval, in this case, of the Constitution. You can also have ratification of amendments, but in this case, this section is about the Constitution. So, super simple. It's one sentence. Are you ready? This is it. It says, the ratification of the conventions of 9 states shall be sufficient for the establishment of this Constitution between the states, so ratifying the same. In other words, write this down, the new government would go into effect when 9 of the 13 states approved of the document. So it wasn't enough for the people in Philadelphia to approve of it. They needed the consent of the governed, which is one of those founding principles we talked about way back when we talked about the Enlightenment. So the founding fathers agreed, the people in Philadelphia, in this room, it all comes full circle back to this painting, they agreed that it would have to be sent to the states for ratification. And once 9 of the 13 states approved of the document, it would go into effect. So with that, you have officially finished the Constitution, you guys. You have finished Articles 1 through 7, which is super, super exciting. If you're curious, I'm going to jump ahead a few slides here. This is the list of the states that ratified the Constitution and in what order they ratified the Constitution. We will talk about this much more in class when I see you next, before you guys take your quiz. So just stay tuned on that. However, for now, what you really need to know is that, again, the states did end up ratifying it. So again, if it's 9 out of 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So with the ratification from New Hampshire, it became the Constitution. Eventually, other states did ratify it, and it's blocking it right now. But the last one, of course, classic, was Rhode Island. We'll talk more about this later in class, but you have officially finished the Constitution. Yay!